Today, Smashbox will be the palette I am using, and I am going to create another gray look. We are doing grays for the next couple months or however long it takes. If you want to see what gray look that I'm creating, keep watching because there will be other colors incorporated in it. This is what the palette looks like. Lots of beautiful colors in this palette. For some reason I'm liking that brown, so I'm going to go with the brown right here. It's a very, very dark brown. This is a very, very old palette that was gifted to me years ago. I did not plan to do what I'm doing now. That's why my brush is so big. As I started, my brain is telling me something different. So we're gonna try a halo gray look. Let me know how you are doing in the comments today. I am doing great. I'm darkening the outer corner because it's going to be a halo. One halo look. I'm using my NYX glitter glue because the gray is a shimmer. There are two grays in there, one matte, one shimmer, and I'm going for the shimmer. I say I'm going for a halo look, but I think I have changed my mind. There is like a bronze color shimmer in there, and I do believe I want to use it. So the halo is off for now. We will see what happens once the glitter glue is on. We will see what happens. See, as I go, things change, and I just go with it. It was like, okay, halo, and then it's like, no, something else, so now something else. So now I have glitter glue on one eye. I am not putting on the other eye yet. I do one eye at a time, so I don't want it to dry up. There is this, oh, I gotta leave my eye open. There is this bronzy color. I'm going to use that closer to the outer corner, and then this gray, shimmer gray, I'm going to use it in the inner part of the eye. We ready? Let's make something fancy and sexy and beautiful for our gray look. So this is the color. It looks very pretty in the palette. Let's see if it holds up to itself out here. So far, yes, it's looking pretty. Can you see that? It is looking pretty. Good choice. While I'm working with the dark brown, this color just kept looking at me. And I'm like, you know what? No halo, no halo. We'll do halo another time. This is gorgeous. You see this? Yes. The gray is going to be happy. The gray is going to be happy. Now I just relax my eyes and just go right in the crease. I'm really above the crease. My real crease is here, but because of the hooded eyes, when I relax my eyes, I need to go above it. Wow, this color really showed up. Pretty. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, now the gray for the inner part of the eyes. The gray. It's a shimmer gray. That's why I put down the NYX glitter glue, because I always forget, and then I'm like, oh, why should I use that? So this is the gray. Although the palette is an old palette, these are really, really performing nicely. Time for the I am. Today's I am is I am open in receiving support. I am open in receiving support. I am open to receiving support. 2 days I am. You are open in receiving support. Do not be ashamed ever to seek help. Don't be ashamed. There is nothing to be ashamed of. Nothing. Don't let fear make you think you should not ask for support. I am open in receiving support. Today's look, I was going for a halo eye in the beginning, but then the other colors were just saying, you got to use me. And I use the Smashbox palette. And I use this dark brown in the outer corner, this pretty bronze next to it. And the highlight of the show is the gray. So I use this shimmer gray and put it in the inner part of my eye. And I took that same brown and just lined under my eyes. This is today's look. Halo plans got changed real fast as I started doing the look. And this glam eye look called for a grungy lip. So I had to pair a grungy look with this glam look. What do you think? Tell me what you think in the comments. And remember, you are important. And always, always, always remember you are first. You are first in everything. Thank you all again for sharing my videos and commenting and watching. I appreciate it very much. Until I see you and you see me, remember it is always good to ask for support, and it is always, always good to invest in yourself. See you shortly. Bye.